Is it recording yet? Hello and welcome to Embalse de Puentes, which is in the Murcia region of southern Spain. We're approximately 17 kilometres above the city of Lorca. It's the middle of February and it's a glorious day. It was 11 degrees when we arrived. Seen a few cormorants. We like to see griffon vultures and eagles normally up here. Or if we're really lucky, we might see a blue rock thrush, but look at this view. The water is down at the moment, probably 7 or 8 metres, but that's not unusual for here. But I must admit, I've been using the old Merlin app on the phone because my hearing is terrible. I have severe tinnitus, so I can't hear the majority of the little birds singing, but so far it seems to be working. We've seen the Serine singing and we've seen the chaffinch singing. Get in here. Good morning. Yeah. So we'll hang around in these woods for a while, see what else we can come up with. Not a bad day, look at that. Not a cloud in the sky behind us. The birds are singing here somewhere.
Got the place to ourselves,
Yes.
pretty much.
But let's go and have a walk round, see what we can find.
Oh, it's definitely him singing, or was. Let's get the Merlin on him.
Yeah, we've just come round the other side of the Embalse now from the woods over on the other side to see if we can see a blue rock thrush. We've seen them here before, but never managed to get a really good photograph. But we've just seen one, but it's too quick and it's gone up on the castle ruins, and there's a lady walking her dog and a cat on a lead, believe it or not. So we've come round here out of the way. The marsh harriers I've seen a few times with the golden eagle now, and I'm sort of getting quite good at getting close to them. But I've got some more footage again of the marsh harrier mobbing the golden eagle, and believe it or not, sat on the same tree. So I've been quite fortunate there. The car's saying it's only 12 degrees, but sat here in this sunshine, I got a little bit of a breeze coming across the Embalse on me at the moment, but it's lovely. Because I suffer from severe tinnitus, I can't hear many birds singing. I can get the obvious ones like bee-eaters, etc., and wood pigeons and hoopoes and that, but the little tiny warblers, etc., I haven't got a clue what they are because it just mingles in with my tinnitus. So I do use this Merlin app on my phone, which is quite good, I must admit. It's I've only ever had one mistake with it said an American bird, but generally it's on the ball. Well worth putting on your phone, and it's free. You know, you can either do the audio, which I do, or you know, or put the photos. And generally, I would say it's quite accurate at the moment. I can't fault it. It's a good app for your app to have. But Andy's on his way back from around the headland now, so we'll be in the car on to the next location soon. We might stop at the castle. It's February, but we were hoping in this hot weather we might have seen a tortoise out. We do see them here quite regular in the winter. Even when it's been like 5 degrees, we've seen them.
Loads of beer bottles, so obviously people have been around there fishing. It looks quite a well-worn track.
Yes,
So,
I might have to have a look.
Yeah.
Yes, that is the only trouble here with the rubbish. It is pretty disgusting, this country. They have absolutely no respect whatsoever for
taking it away with them.
yeah.
Unfortunately.
You're sat here parked next to your car, and you could quite happily, you could pick your rubbish up, couldn't you, and put it in your car. There's bins up at the dam. There's absolutely no excuse for it whatsoever. They haven't walked here for miles. They brought the car with them.
I know, that's the shocking thing, isn't it?
You know, they carry their fishing gear or whatever, and even put a pergola up out of the car, but they can't be bothered to put some empty beer cans in. Absolutely criminal, really, but there you go.
Now, it's a bad advert for Spanish fishing, unfortunately. Or
Yes.
whoever it is who's fishing here, it might
Yeah,
all be Spanish.
It's maybe,
but,
you know, it's not always
you know,
Spanish, yeah.
Nonetheless, they could look after it a lot better, because you wouldn't get a place like this to yourself where we come from for very long, would you?
No. No, it's absolutely fantastic sat here, isn't it? It is. You couldn't wish for a better day, apart from us waffling to the camera. Otherwise, it's not a sound, is there? Apart from the odd bird.
No, there's plenty of little ones singing around, isn't there?
Yeah. Let me put that there. While we got the camera on, I'm watching these ants because we are sat on an ant nest.
Oh, yeah, I did.
We are sat on an ant nest.
Me more so than you, I reckon.
Well, yeah. If we're quiet. Can you see? I can't even see us. I don't know whether we're in it or not.
I'm not sure.
I think we might need to go down a little bit. I can't see, so I can't see the screen. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll record it on the other camera so we can see a big screen. It's easier. Well, we stopped to have a little bit of a tea break and a lunch break
in the picnic area by the dam here at Embalse de Puentes, and we just looked over, and like 30 yards away from us, we think we're not sure yet. We've looked on the back of the camera, even me wearing Andy's glasses, and we're not quite sure whether we've seen them. But according to the books we're using,
We're close, I think.
we're pretty.
According to my book, and I'm obviously using Birding in Murcia, What to See. Great book, absolutely brilliant book this is. Andy's got his big,
Not too friendly to carry around.
but so we've gone through both books and looked at the back of the camera, and we do think it.
We'll have a look later when we get home on the PC sort of thing. But so far, absolutely brilliant day. Yeah, when we were underneath the castle, I definitely saw them.
So-
But they are so quick.
Yeah, exactly. And no tortoises, even though it's quite a sunny day.
And it's still only 12 degrees though at lunchtime here today.
Yeah.
But it's glorious sunshine, and apart from us waffling as usual to the camera, yeah, we got a couple of little locations on the way home to have a look at now.
No, it all makes it worthwhile.
Yep.
All makes it worthwhile.
Right, we'll crack on.